Saturday, it's Marseille, the Stade Velodrome. Martin Tyler here with you as usual. My regular sidekick, Alan Smith, I'm delighted to say, is with me as well. The action is a division rivals match. Absolutely looking forward to this one.
Well, there's certainly a buzz in this stadium in the minutes leading up to kick-off. I hope the match doesn't disappoint. I don't think it will. We've got a couple of attacking sides here.
Damn.
Excellent vision. Pushed out by the goalkeeper, but only into a dangerous area. Great place to win it back. It's a shot. The ball's loose. Goalkeeper made the save, but he couldn't hold it. The goalkeeper at the full extent.
Oh my gosh.
Fingertips. What a stop.
Corner's taken. Good defensive clearance there. Trying to get behind the defenders to get in a good cross. And it's going to be a throw here. Müller. Now a chance to get a bit of width into this attack. On the attack with real gusto a moment or two ago, but it rather left them dismayed in the end. Well, they could get the ball back here, and they have done. Antoine Griezmann, who is French, but of course has spent most of his career in Spain and done very well.
Oh, what a player he's become. Really quick, loves to make those runs in behind, and something for this...
Tried his luck! Excellent work from the keeper. Here comes the corner. Well, the goalkeeper takes charge here from the corner. Must take the lead.
What a dog.
Which they do in good style.
That was so easy, man.
They played some good football leading up to that, Martin, and thoroughly deserved that goal.
Well, it was a gift. Strikers dream about moments like this. A tap-in.
Yes, not often that you do get what is literally an open goal, and he wasn't going to miss it.
So the first goal, it's 1-0. They might have played him in here. Oh, he's in the clear here. No flag. They've broken through again and scored again. Restarting at 2-0. This could be promising. In front of goal. Well, they have cleared the danger. It was a decent opportunity, I think. That's a great interception. Jean-Philippe Jabama. Very good tackle. He's given possession away here. Got past his marker. Well, he's confident with the ball at his feet, isn't he? Lucas! It's another one for them. They go further in front, and they are full value for this position. Well, the body language at this kickoff isn't great, is it? And you can understand why. Pretty optimistic range, I would say, to try the shot from there.
Yeah, keeper's thrown his cap on it so easy.
Gabriel Jesus trying to catch the other team out with a quick break here. Break still on. Well, that counter-attack didn't work, and they might be counter-attacked themselves now.
Well, as a player, this is never nice to hear when you're getting boos from your own fans, but they can't wait to get off the pitch. The visitors...
They could be in, behind the back line. He's in. Up for grabs here. Grasped in the end by the goalkeeper finally, after a frantic piece of play, which included a remarkable save just a moment or two earlier.
You thought for all the world like there was going to be a goal there, and they should have been more clinical with the second chance. In the end, simple for the keeper.
It's Gabriel Jesus who was the target of that cross. It's a brave effort, really, in amongst the players to get the header in, but off target, way off target.
Yeah, not his best effort, that's for sure.
Hans Hatterboer. Müller. And there's the interception. Got past his man there.
Damn.
That's a penalty.
Yeah, that's a penalty, bro.
Added to their problems.
Yeah, lost the composure, haven't they? It's been a poor day, and it's only going to get worse here.
Try to make it top bin.
And he saved it.
Yo, that's not even what I was aiming for,
Wasteful
man.
pass, unforced error, really. Gabriel Jesus wanted to go for the strength in the shot, but he needed some direction.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't shoot, you don't score, but he's got to do much better.
Slimani. Muller. Marvellous through ball from Muller. Not able to take full advantage of a good position. Griezmann. As for the home side, slight change in defensive emphasis here. Trying to get the opposition caught offside.
Yeah, they're just trying to squeeze up from the back, maybe compress the midfield as well.
Tries the shot here. Off the keeper, back into play. Now they've won it here. They could be in. Very good challenge. Slimani. That's an easy cutout for the opposition, saw the pass coming. Pedro. Superb. It tries the shot. That's great defending with the block. Thomas Müller. Griezmann. Slimani. I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Trossard. Can he shoot?
Bang.
The defenders managed to get in the way there. Corner swung in. Comfortable for the keeper. Griezmann. Looking for a through ball. At speed, Antoine Griezmann. A problem for the defenders. There's still danger here after this. Still a chance in there off the goalkeeper. Well, there is the referee blowing for half-time. It's 3-0.
Easy, 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 easy. Easy, 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 easy.
Admirer. Well, we wait to see what the second half brings. The first half was conclusive, but you don't win the game at half-time. Referee has blown, and he's given the free kick. Jean-Philippe Jabama. Ake. Tanguy Ndombele. Getting set at the corner. But here comes the corner. It's a brave effort, really, in amongst the players to get the header in, but off target, way off target.
Yeah, not his best effort, that's for sure.
Griezmann. Dembele. Griezmann. Push back out
Get it.
play. Well, they didn't test the keeper the second time like they did the first. But either way, he's done his job and kept the opposition out.
Well, he's on fire, isn't he, this keeper? And the opposition must be wondering what they've got to do to beat him.
Got the ball, and they're going at the opposition with speed. A real opening for him. That's even better play to stop the chance. Griezmann. It's unlike him, really, to play the ball straight to the opposition. One or two options now in forward areas for them. Griezmann. Didn't want the referee to blow his whistle, and he hasn't.
So often you see it, it's a bad tackle and he blows straight away, but the advantage is played.
Chance for the keeper to kick it clearer, and he takes that chance. Referee says free kick. Jean-Philippe Jabama. Gabriel Jesus. Nothing wrong with that tackle. In fact, it was a terrific effort. This does look promising. Read the intentions. Gabriel Jesus. They can be quick on the break now. We've reached the hour mark. Half an hour to go. That's a free kick. And that's really the way to get the ball out of the danger zone. Here's a chance to whip it in. And the ball's got away from him. Pulls it back rather than crosses. And this is a goal!
Well, he's point-blank range, but you've got to be there to score. You've got to be there to miss it as well, but he didn't.
It's turning out to be an embarrassing scoreline, really. Douglas Costa hasn't held it, the goalkeeper. Still danger here, despite the goalkeeper's work. Lucas. Well, this is a real shock. You can see it in the faces of the players, and you can hear it in the lack of noise, if you like, from the supporters.
Well, those fans can't even be bothered to give their players any stick at the moment. They're just stunned into silence.
And the defender able to clear it away. Trossard. Tackle goes in. That's not what he wanted to do. A poor pass. Pedro. He's gone in very fairly and won the ball cleanly. Great place to win it back. Goes for goal. And a goal. And that's the third, the hat-trick. It's a day he'll never forget. Well, the body language at this kickoff isn't great, is it? And you can understand why. Griezmann. Douglas Costa. Jean-Philippe Jabama. They're looking good when they attack. Opportunity to play it into the middle. Darting infield now. Gabriel Jesus. Very, very good defending at a critical moment here. Chance for a break in numbers. Oh, they thought they were in, but the flag has gone up.
Yeah, the linesman's got it right there. Just went a fraction early.
Just over quarter of an hour left on my watch. Jean-Philippe Jabama. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Griezmann. That's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. That wasn't a good tackle, but they've still got the ball. If the referee gives more than a free kick here, he'll be off. He's already been booked. Jean-Philippe Jabama. Gabriel Jesus. Griezmann. Dembele. Douglas Costa. Douglas Costa. And here's the shot. Well, how has he done that?
That is one of the most difficult skills in the game. And you made it look easy, Martin.
Wonderful sight for him and his fans. Set up to play on the break now. Simon. Griezmann. Now he's got the ball. What's he going to do with it? Could get his cross in now. Simon got the ball and they're going at the opposition with speed. Trying to find an opening on this counter-attack. Douglas Costa. And there's the interception. The referee has decided to add on 2 minutes. Leandro Trossard, still progressing on the break. Can he set himself now? Gabriel Jesus! And the offside stops the play. Flag went up, referee blew. And there's the last blast on the whistle today. Hi there everybody, we're here at Old Trafford. It's a great evening for it. Alan Smith is alongside me, Martin Tyler. Our action comes from division rivals football. What a game this should be, Alan.
Yeah, thanks Martin. Looking forward to this. I'm hoping for a nice, quick start that will set the standard here between two good teams.
He's got possession back for his team. And this is the lineup for the home side. Nathan Ake starts alongside Victor Lindelof at the back. Jean-Philippe Gamin plays alongside Tanguy Ndombele in midfield. And in attack, the man with the golden touch in front of goal, Gabriel Jesus. And this is how the opposition will line up. In goal today, Nick Pope. Trent Alexander-Arnold plays with Marcos Alonso as the fullbacks. And Eden Hazard starts up front. Pogba. Pedro. Gabriel Jesus. Untidy work. Here's Kevin De Bruyne. Pogba. Good vision. Mark, this could be a chance. Mahrez! Very, very close. Just past the post.
Well, I think half the crowd, you know, thought that was going to nestle in the corner of the net there.
Rashford. Pogba. This does look promising. Losing possession there, Kevin De Bruyne. Pedro. Guiding it through. Disappointed that that didn't lead to more. Or maybe the counter-attack is on here. And here's Paul Pogba. just throwing his body into the way of the shot. I think he's hit the post there. Trying to thread a pass through, but not successful. Threading it through. The keeper stops it. There could be a follow-up now. Gabriel Jesus.
Oh, you can tell that the fans know that they're lucky not to be behind in this match, and they're urging their players on to better things.
Trent Alexander-Arnold. Plenty of width for the team to attack into. Good width in the attack here, looking for a cross at the end of it. That looked very good indeed, but the move has broken down. Chris Smalling. It's with De Bruyne. Trying to catch the other team out with a quick break here. The break is definitely on. What a save that was.
The agility on show there was outstanding.
Put in by De Bruyne, and the defender has read the cross well. Pogba. Intercepted well. Hazard. And the tackler has been very successful there. He's got possession, anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene.
Visitors now enjoying more of the possession. Been a good last 15, and they're pushing the opposition further and further back towards their own goal. Totally dominating the ball and creating chances. Surely they're going to get themselves ahead soon.
Marcos Alonso. Given possession away here. Lucas. Leandro Trossard. Gabriel Jesus. Game still level, but the pressure might be counting. Hazard. Mistake in possession by Hazard. He could take them on here. Can go in from here. It'll be a throw now after the tackle. Ah, he's taken it away there with a very good tackle. Hazard. Gabriel Jesus. Lucas. Shibama. Pedro. Chance to work it from the flanks. He went in well. That's not what he wanted to do. A poor pass. Rashford. Made a quick interception. Pedro. There's going to be a throw-in after that tackle. Now he wants to take them on. Well, I think they can nick it from him, but I don't think they can. It's with De Bruyne. Losing possession there, Kevin De Bruyne. Promising forward play from them again. Kept the ball, but he can't shoot at the moment.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
That could be a very costly own goal because they're trailing to it now. Good piece of tackling there.
Boom.
The referee has decided to add on 2 minutes.
Dangerous.
That's an unforced error, really, with the pass.
Boom.
Waiting in the middle, Gabriel Jesus. Well, he clears the danger. So it's 1-0 here as the half-time whistle goes.
I don't know. What the hell?
Very, very quiet today, Eden Hazard.
He's just looked a bit under the weather. I don't know if he's poorly or whatever. Not been his normal, sharp, bright self.
Referee just checking everything is in order, and he blows for the second half to start. Couldn't keep it. It'll be a throw. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Maybe took his eye off the ball. Maybe the cross. It's De Bruyne. It's another good tackle in a key part of the pitch. It's not really going to get the better of him from that range, especially when he can see it all the way. Poor attempt at a pass, really. De Bruyne. Tanguy Ndombele. Oh, they've lost the ball. De Bruyne! Great reach and a great catch by the goalkeeper.
Well, if they do end up losing, they can only put the finger at those lads that have let themselves down in front of goal. They've had the chances.
Oh my gosh, get off me, man. Damn.
Tanguy Ndombele. Clever pass in behind by De Bruyne. It was a promising situation. They could have made more of that. Break quickly when they get possession. Gabriel Jesus. Great tackling technique to win the ball cleanly. Hazard. Neatly intercepted. Rashford. He has to clear it. Want to keep possession, that's the way they play, but they're not doing it. Tierney. Untidy work. Excellent attacking play here. They could open up the opposition now. We've had an hour gone here, and still 30 minutes left. Now he wants to take them on. Here's a chance! Not really tested the goalkeeper, but sometimes it can look a bit too easy. He made sure he made the save competently.
Yeah, he did, and he doesn't make too many mistakes, this lad.
Now De Bruyne, guiding the pass through. Mahrez. Mahrez! Surely! What a good goal it is!
Oh, man. Gosh, man.
That was an amazing shot. Very difficult technique, and the goalkeeper left help.
Well, he's rooted to the spot. He flew past him at some pace.
Well, this will be interesting. Changes now for both teams. It is level. Both sides have scored here now. Oh, love that. The skill. That's good passing, probing. Tries the shot here. Terrific stop. On the front foot now, they've got a corner, hoping for the goal that will put them in the lead. It's still dangerous here off the goalkeeper. Out of play for a throw. Gabriel Jesus. Decided to go infield, looking dangerous. It's a fine stop at full stretch from the keeper to turn that aside. Corner given. Pedro puts it in, and defender can get it upfield. It will be yet another corner. Pedro with the corner. Really good defending. If he hadn't touched it, it was a goal.
Now, one of the keepers thanking him for that bit of closing down by his defender.
The delivery from Pedro. It's a brave effort, really, in amongst the players to get the header in, but off target, way off target.
Yeah, not his best effort, that's for sure.
Going forward with real purpose now. Room for the cross. Marcos Alonso. Now you need to be strong to do this, and a good touch. Muller. Proper defending there. Time ticking on. Just over 15 minutes to go. Lucas. Gabriel Jesus. Adel Taarabt. Taarabt. It just doesn't happen overnight, this kind of pressing, and it's working well for them, showing how much they put into their training sessions. He's got good support in the middle if he gets his cross in. It's a shot. No way through for the shot. Blocked. Break quickly when they get possession. They're still going towards goal quickly. Muller. Excellent vision. There was a chance, really, of getting into a scoring position then, but anything but. Now Tanguy Ndombele. Muller. Taarabt. And that shot's blocked very quickly. Got the ball, and they're going at the opposition with speed. Steven Bergwijn. Lucas. Excellent attacking play here. They could open up the opposition now. Gabriel Jesus. Well, they are moving the ball well here. He's put it out. It's gone out for a corner. Put the corner in the middle. That could have been difficult, but the defender sorted it out. Shibama. No, it's offside, and it looks as though they might be in to score. They've lost the ball. Time to get the ball in. Trying to get the cross in, well blocked by the defender. Well, suddenly they could be on the counter-attack. Well, that pass never looked like reaching its target, and they're away with the ball. We've got 2 added minutes. Taarabt. It's another good tackle in a key part of the pitch. Steven Bergwijn. Well, here they go, sensing the chance. This might be it. The keeper.
Go, shoot. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's freaking go, man.
A decisive moment in the match, you feel sure. We had seemed to be stuck in a bit of a stalemate, in truth, but this very, very late goal has changed. There it is, the final whistle. Well, they got there in the end. Mighty, mighty close, but the right result.
Yeah, I think that's true, Martin. Yeah, they contributed plenty, scored a few goals and just edged it for...
This cathedral of football, Real Madrid's Bernabeu Stadium. Martin Tyler here, along with Alan Smith. Our action for you comes from the FUT Rivals competition. Absolutely looking forward to this one.
I love visiting this ground. Rarely been disappointed with the entertainment on offer. Don't think I will be today either.
Sloppy work, really. Well, here is the team sheet for the home side. Keylor Navas in goal. Leonardo Bonucci starts with Thiago Silva as the centre-backs. He's one-on-one with the goalkeeper. The goal is there for the taking.
Oh my
It was an
god.
open goal. Goalkeeper nowhere.
I don't even know,
my
man.
word, one for the bloopers.
I don't even know.
That's a shocker of a miss.
What the fuck?
Ziyech.
How the heck do I miss that, bro? What the heck?
Leonardo Bonucci.
Oh my gosh, man.
Luis Hernandez. He's through. Brilliant goal.
Oh, the crowd appreciating that. And so are his teammates. What a good finish and what a good ball through to him.
Okay, you skip, man. Oh my god.
And that has opened the scoring. 1-0 here.
Good, not even playing.
Promising build-up until that challenge. Ziyech. And they've cut it out. Chance to get forward from the wing. Target for that cross was Lucas. It's with Mahrez. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Steven Bergwijn. Striding forward, purposefully. And it's Luis Hernandez. Ziyech getting the ball back and thinking attack straight away. This could be it. They swept forward, committing players to this attack, and it so nearly worked for them.
So much pace in this team. Just needed that finishing touch there.
It's good play to get a foot in and intercept. Going in as a group in midfield, not as individuals, to win the ball back. Luis Hernandez. Wonderful save. It's a difficult corner to execute, to find a teammate on the edge of the box. Hernandez! It's a goal which really defines the way this team is playing.
Well, look at them there. They're absolutely delighted. It does take a lot of hard work, but when you get a reward like that, it's well worth it.
Great strike into the area where no goalkeeper in the world would have kept that out.
Well, he's been on form today. It looks like a striker on top of his game.
Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Excellent play. He should have made more of that. It's only a goal kick. Can we have another look at the goal? Yes. Cut out the pass. Ricardo Pereira. An incisive pass. He's blocked that well. One or two options now in forward areas for them. Put away, but not out of harm's way. Hernandez. Lacazette. Luis Hernandez. Can pull it back. What a good way to score.
Well, it's point-blank range, but you've got to be there to score. You've got to be there to miss it as well, but he didn't.
Well, there is a big difference between these two teams, and that goal has... It's meant it's reflected in the scoreline.
I think it's going to be a stroll from here on in because they've got a big cushion. Rightly so, well in the lead.
Well, there's some head-scratching from the players coming off. 3 of them are coming off because 3 replacements are coming on.
Well, the body language at this kickoff isn't great, is it? And you can understand why. Lacazette. That's a great interception. Gabriel Jesus. Just a bit lax in possession. And he gets it back. Ziyech, impressive in possession, passing's good, goes for goal! What a fine save! The team is lining up for the corner.
The hosts have controlled possession here so far.
Tries the shot here. Oh, that's a good save, he got a touch to that. Corner played into the middle. It's not really away from the threat here. It's a good hit. Can't get the shot through. Good block. Lucas. And that's what the defenders love to see a goalkeeper come out like that. Coman. Ziyech. Ricardo Pereira. Di Maria. Lacazette. Tierney. Sharp in the tackle, but it'll be a throw now. Intercepted here. They've gone wide. Chance to get the ball in the box. Cross is blocked. Lucas. Difficult for the defender against the player who wants to take him on like this. Luis Alberto. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Threads it through. Well, the player's broken down now. Now he's got the ball. What's he going to do with it? And that's the referee signalling for half-time, blowing his whistle, and it's 3-0 here at half-time. Alan, you've been very interested in Lacazette and what he brings as a striker. Are you impressed? I'm impressed today. What are your thoughts?
Well, the goalkeeper will be hoping his defenders can close him down a bit quicker because he has been peppering them in and scoring.
Well, we wonder if the second half's going to be like the first, one-sided. Interception here. Had a go! Better this time from the keeper.
Well, he's kept going, hasn't he? He's kept his head up, and maybe that'll be the turn in terms of his form out here.
Luis Alberto. Coman. Now it's Ousmane Dembele. Saw that coming and intercepted. Oh, it could be dangerous. Good anticipation by the defender. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Opportunity in a wider area. Can he pick somebody out with his pullback?
Oh my gosh.
Here's Kingsley Coman. Bergwijn. Now Tanguy Ndombele. Plenty of space out wide, and they're going to use it. Whipped in from the wide area. Navas makes the save here, an easy one. Well, that is a cheap piece of play to give the ball away like that. Good vision. And there it is! Just a reminder, 3-1 it is now, the scoreline. Angel Di Maria, Lacazette. Well, here they are, still probing away. Lacazette wants to chop back and play it to a teammate. Come on! Top performance from a top team, and they've emphasised their superiority. Hi there everybody, we're here at Old Trafford. It's a great evening for it. Alan Smith has joined me, Martin Tyler for the commentary. Our action comes from division rivals football. What a game this should be, Alan.
Yeah, thanks Martin. Well, we've got a couple of teams here that their strengths are attacking, no doubt about it, so I'm sure they'll be going at each other very quickly.
And this is today's starting lineup for the home team. Jordan Pickford is the goalkeeper. Tanguy Ndombele plays with Wilfred Ndidi in midfield. And in attack, the man with the golden touch in front of goal, Gabriel Jesus. Chance for the cross. Pedro. So the corner about to be taken. In goes the corner. There's still danger here after this half clearance. Let's have a look at how the opposing team will line up today. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Marcelo starts with Carvajal in the full-back positions. Ousmane Dembele plays with Yannick Ferreira Carrasco in the wide positions. And Eden Hazard starts up front. He will be furious with himself for such a poor pass. Well, they can be really the heartbeat of the team, these central midfield players, and we've got a new one making his debut today. What do you make of it, Alan?
Well, I'm impressed by the signing. I think he'll give them a bit more composure in the middle of the park. He can get up and down, and he's a good passer of the ball.
A great chance to go in front. The ball's loose. There it is. First goal of the game. And coming this early, the promise of more to come. So the first goal, it's 1-0.
Goal for the visitors. Number 14, Santi Cazorla.
Santi Cazorla. It's with De Jong. Here's Carrasco. Able to intercept here. It's gone out for a throw. Griezmann. Threads it through. Costly loss of possession maybe here. Referee's given a corner. A chance to see Santi Cazorla's goal. And in it goes. Well, he used the inside of his head well, but not the outside, off target.
Yeah, just slightly mistimed that one.
Ndidi. Now Pedro. Close to the touchline, that's where he likes to work. Here's Carrasco. Griezmann. Santi Cazorla. Well, the assistant has flagged straight away for the offside.
Well, he's a quick runner, this boy, and if he just delays it for a second, you'd still get in.
Blocked off the pass there. He's confident with the ball at his feet, isn't he? Griezmann. Griezmann! That's a good stop from the goalkeeper. Now Tanguy Ndombele. Bergwijn. Gabriel Jesus. Tanguy Ndombele. Lucas. Trying to spot a potential ball to open them up, but they're keeping the ball well. Kept his concentration, the goalkeeper, and because of that, kept hold of the ball.
Yeah, he seems to feel the goal, this lad. He's quite an imposing keeper.
Griezmann. Marcelo. Santi Cazorla. Griezmann. Yannick Carrasco. His teammates have recognised the potential of this attack. Now Marcelo's cross. It's not a cross that's caused the defence any problems, and certainly not the goalkeeper. Now Tanguy Ndombele. Lucas. Ndidi. Alexander-Arnold. Patient play from them. Pedro has given it away. Santi Cazorla. Well, he's got a chance now to get forward in this wide area. Ndidi. And that will be a throw. Gabriel Jesus. Hazard. It's with De Jong. Eden Hazard. Yannick Carrasco. Here's De Jong. Got his foot in to cut out the pass. trying to slip it through.
Gabriel Jesus.
Lucas!
What?
Done well to block
Oh my.
that. Defender's done well here to clear the danger. Taking on a couple of opponents now. Tanguy Ndombele.
Gabriel Jesus.
Bobby Moore with the challenge imperious. Got the ball and they're going at the opposition with speed.
Dembele.
Guiding it through. Griezmann. Hazard! That is a startling save.
That's all about reactions and agility.
Corner played in.
Santi Cazorla is caught offside.
Trent Alexander-Arnold. Lucas. It's good attacking play this from them.
The fourth official
Now
is
Tanguy
indicating
Ndombele.
there will be a minimum of 2 minutes. 18.
The manager turns away in disgust. He expects his man to tug that one away and get his team on level terms.
And now Diego Carlos. Marcelo. Well, I think they can nick it from him, but I don't think they can. This is typical Pedro, making the opponent's backpedal.
In quickly. And that's half-time. Signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score.
Good contact.
So here we go for the second half. Carvajal.
Tanguy Ndombele. Bergwijn. Trying to find the opening, which would be so crucial. Wants to come inside and shoot. Didn't really go for it, tried a bit of guile.
Well, 10 out of 10 for invention there, but he'll hope to do better next time.
Plenty of space out wide, and they're going to use it. Carrasco. Griezmann. Careless there. Ball with Moore. Griezmann.
Santi Cazorla.
Moore.
It's with De Jong.
Dembele. And now Diego Carlos. Here's De Jong. Now it's Santi Cazorla with Griezmann. Good clean tackle.
Gabriel Jesus.
Room for the cross. Well, they kept up the pressure, didn't they?